Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, here to talk a little bit about more court procedures. Tina, in an initial appearance on an original support petition, what can be expected during that process?
Well, as an original petition for child support, unlike the other petitions, support magistrates really like to move cases along. And at this appearance, they're going to ask you about your financials. They want to know what your gross income is from either from you and on the other side. And if you're not working, they'll ask you why you're not working. And if you're not working, they might send you off to a place where some courts have it, some don't, where you'll be able to prepare a resume. They'll assist you in looking for a job, and you're going to have to create a job log and actually be diligent about seeking full-time employment unless there is a medical reason why you can't work. And then you're going to have to provide medical proof of your inability to work. So that includes the other side. Just because somebody has custody doesn't mean that they don't get to work either. So those are a couple of things. So without getting into much detail, because Tim and I will talk at length on a different video about it, just know that the court can and most likely will issue a temporary order of support at the initial appearance, with or without an attorney. So just remember that one, right, Tim?
Correct.